today is the culmination of the hard work that you have put into your education.
Congratulations, class of 2024. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have brought you to this moment.
Akalain mo yon, graduate kayo. Hindi, joke lang.
Congratulations, NT-Shans! Padayon graduates!
Congratulations to all the graduates and of course to the parents na nandito ngayon.
Padayon at mabuhay kayo. Congratulations!
Sa wakas, graduate na kayo. Sure na ba yan?
Welcome sa realidad ng buhay, graduates!
Always be humble. Gano'n man kataas yung marating mo, saan ka man ipadpad ng pinag-aralan mo, manatiling mababa ang loob.
Every day is an opportunity to learn new things, work with new people, and engage with new ideas.
Parang pananim na palay. Habang nadaragdagan ng laman, lalong yumuyo sa lupa.
Always know that NTC will always be with you, cheering you up on whatever endeavors that you will have on the next season of your life.
So please continue igniting the fire and the inang tanglaw of our school in all your professions.
Lagi niyong ipagmamalaki si Inang Tanglaw. Patuloy nating i-embody ang pagiging kakampi hanggang sa ating mga future endeavors. Congrats!
I am sure that the journey to getting here today was not one without its own challenges and strenuous moments. But I am certain it was also a worthwhile experience. As you leave the institution and head into the new adventure that awaits you today, you will be faced with many choices you will have to make. It all seems like a lot of pressure to figure out after today. You keep these in mind and remember that there's so much in life to be excited about. My first guiding light is to seek purpose, not passion. Passion can be fleeting, whereas purpose can drive deeper meaning. The act of transformation doesn't always have to be grand or life-changing. Everywhere you go, try to leave people and places better than when you found them. How we can become better citizens and better Filipinos and lead transformation in our own little ways. As leaders that NTC has molded you to be, every day is an invitation for transformation. NTC has given you all the tools to cultivate a deep sense of curiosity, learning, and action.